Facebook cover photo design easy steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually change your cover photo design on Facebook and what are some of the things that you can do. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if you would like to design a cover photo because maybe you have got a certain professional profile and you'd like to have a professional cover photo instead of a generic picture, so to design it there are many applications out there, but the one that I always use is Canva. So if you're using from browser, you can also go to canva.com, or you can open up the Canva application here, and once you've opened up your respective Canva app, over here you can simply select a template of a cover Facebook photo. So here you can see search your content and canvas, so you can tap on it and then just type in Facebook cover photo. So I'll just go ahead and then type in Facebook, then I'll just go ahead and then type in cover over here, and once I type in Facebook cover there will be many sort of options available. So here you can see Facebook cover, I can select that. It will show me a list of all the templates that are available for a Facebook cover. So depending upon which one I want, some of them are paid and some of them are free. I can select a free template over here, then I can simply replace the text, change the colors. It's very simple. You can also replace the photos over here, then you can also replace the text, and you can download this one and then you can choose to make it your Facebook cover photo. This way you can design cover photo for Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.